Eocortex License Plate Recognition Module, Lite version. Installation and License Activation Guideline. To install License Plate Recognition Module, you first need to download the distributives from Eocortex website. Go to Support and Software Installation Packages. Here you will see 3 boxes with Eocortex distributives. Take note that Eocortex Ultra has separate distributive set. Make sure that you download files from the correct box. Download License Plate Recognition Module or License Plate Recognition Module Ultra, depending on what VMS you have. Before installing the License Plate Recognition Module, stop Eocortex server. When the files are downloaded, extract all from the zipped folder. Run Eocortex Auto Installer application. Select the folder to install the module or use the default one. If you only want to install Lite version of License Plate Recognition Module, make sure that only Lite module is checked. If you have the USB key similar to the one you can see here, plug it in your computer's USB port. Now you only need the license file that will be sent to you by Eocortex sales managers. Make sure that the license number in the file name is the same as on the edge of the USB key. Download the license file. Browse the license file and click Next. After the installation is finished, you can run the server and configure the License Plate Recognition Module in your VMS. If you don't have the USB key, you can use the soft key. For that, Eocortex Sales Manager will generate and send you the license number, license file, activation code file in GRDVD extension, and serial number. To install the soft key license, run Eocortex Auto Installer application. Download and browse the license file with the same license number as the one sent by Eocortex Sales Manager. After the installation is finished, you need to activate the license. To do that, you need to download the activation code file in GRDVD extension. Then, download Garden Activation Wizard application. The download link can be found in the description for this video. Then, download the latest drivers. The link can be found in the description as well. Run the driver file. After the drivers are updated, run Garden Activation Wizard. It will automatically find activation code file on your computer. If not, browse it manually here. Now you need to copy and paste the serial number which was sent by Eocortex Sales Manager. Click Next. After the installation is finished, you can run the server and configure the License Plate Recognition Module in your VMS.